Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to use PayPaying app in Canada. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the guide on how to use PayPaying app in Canada, the first thing to do is to download the app from your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Then after that, open the app, then enter your Canadian mobile number, then verify your number using the OTP, which is a one-time password sent to your SMS. Then also set up a TPIN to secure your transaction for future purpose, which is transaction PIN. Then after that, you have to complete the KYC verification. So navigate to the KYC verification within the app, then upload a valid government ID issued by the government, and it can be your ID or your driver's license or your passport. Then take a selfie as prompted for identity verification. Then KYC takes between 1 to 30 minutes approval. Then once that is done, then next thing to do is to add the funds to your PayPay wallet. So use the indirect e-transfer from your Canadian bank account to add money. So, and also add a detailed information for the indirect transfer are provided within the app. So for this, you have to send money internationally. So to send money internationally, you have to select the recipient country, depend on your individual reference. You can send money to Germany. Enter the recipient account details, then specify the amount you want to send, then review the exchange rate and confirm the transaction. And that's how you can simply use PayPaying app in Canada. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.